Good morning, student. Let us see the formulae of some standard function. ddx of x raised to power n is equal to n into x raised to power n minus 1. Means derivative of x raised to power n is n into x raised to power n minus 1. ddx of k is 0 where k is constant. That is, k is any number. ddx of 5 is 0. ddx of minus 7 is 0. ddx of 5 by 3, answer is 0. Next, ddx of x is, now here power of x is 1. Put n is equal to 1 in this formula. You will get 1 into x raised to power 1 minus 1, that is equal to 1 into x raised to power 0 is equal to 1 into 1. X raised to power 0 means 1. 1 into 1, that is 1. Therefore, ddx of x is, answer is 1. ddx of 1 upon x means derivative of x raised to power minus 1 is, now here in this formula put n is equal to minus 1. We get minus 1 into x raised to power minus 1 minus 1. That is minus 1 into x raised to power minus 2. Therefore, derivative of 1 upon x is minus 1 upon x square, because this will come in denominator and power will be positive. Therefore, derivative of 1 upon x is minus 1 upon x square. Next, derivative of ddx of root x, that is ddx of x raised to power root means 1 by 2. Now here value of n is 1 by 2. Put the value of n is equal to 1 by 2 in this formula. We get 1 by 2 into x raised to power 1 by 2 minus 1, which is equal to 1 by 2 as it is x raised to power minus 1 by 2. 1 by 2 minus 1 is minus 1 by 2. That is 1 by 2 as it is into 1 upon x raised to power 1 by 2. Index become positive. That is 1 upon 2 root x. X raised to power 1 by 2 means root x. Therefore, ddx of root x is 1 upon 2 root x. Therefore, we can say that derivative of root x is 1 upon 2 root x. Next, derivative of ddx of 1 upon root x, that is ddx of x raised to power minus 1 by 2 here. Now here put the value of n is equal to minus 1 by 2. We get minus 1 by 2 into x raised to power minus 1 by 2 minus 1. That is minus 1 by 2 into x raised to power minus 3 by 2, because minus 1 by 2 minus 1, the result is minus 3 by 2. Therefore, this can be written as minus 1 by 2 into 1 upon x raised to power 3 by 2. We make index positive, which is equal to ddx of one upon root x. The answer is minus 1 upon 2x root x, because x raised to power 3 by 2 is nothing but x root x. In this way, we observe 6 formulas here. Next, derivative of a raised to power x is a raised to power x into log a. Derivative of e raised to power x is e raised to power x. Derivative of log x is 1 upon x. Derivative of sin x is cos x. Derivative of cos x is minus sin x. Derivative of tan x is sec square x. Derivative of cot x is minus cosec square x. Derivative of sec x is sec x into tan x. Derivative of cosec x is minus cosec x into cot x. Derivative of sin inverse x is equal to 1 upon root of 1 minus x square. Derivative of cosec inverse x is equal to minus 1 upon root of 1 minus x square. Simply difference, sign difference is there only in between these two. Derivative of tan inverse x is 1 upon 1 plus x square. Derivative of cot inverse x is minus 1 upon 1 plus x square. Derivative of sec inverse x is 1 upon x root of x square minus 1, and derivative of cosec inverse x is equal to minus 1 upon x root of x square minus 1. So, learn these formulas by heart. If you know all these formulas, then you can easily solve the problems on derivative of the derivative chapter. Any function given. Now let us see the rules of differentiation. Let us see the rules of differentiation. If u and v are the differentiable function, means derivative can be exist of the function u and v. If u and v are differentiable functions of x, such that 1. Y is equal to u plus v, then dy by dx is equal to du by dx, means derivative of u plus dv by dx means derivative of v. That is, in other way we can say that derivative of first function plus derivative of second function. For example, if we have y is equal to x square plus sin x, then dy by dx is equal to derivative of x square plus derivative of sin x. We know that derivative of x square is 2x and derivative of sin x is cos x. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to 2x plus cos x. Next, if y is equal to u minus v, then dy by dx is equal to du by dx minus dv by dx. For example, y is equal to e raised to power x minus x cube, then dy by dx is equal to ddx of e raised to power x minus ddx of x cube. Derivative of e raised to power x is e raised to power x, and derivative of x cube is 3 into x square. Thus, dy by dx is equal to e raised to power x minus 3x square. Next rule, y is equal to u into v, then dy by dx is equal to u into derivative of v plus v into derivative of u. That is, dy by dx is equal to u into dv by dx plus v into du by dx. For example, if we have the function y is equal to sin x into log x, then find the derivative. Then dy by dx is equal to first function sin x. Here u is equal to sin x, v is equal to log x. Therefore, u means sin x into derivative of log x plus v means log x into derivative of sin x. Isn't it? Now sin x as it is. Derivative of log x is 1 upon x plus log x as it is into derivative of sin x is cos x. Thus we have dy by, if y is equal to sin x into log x, then dy by dx is equal to sin x upon x plus log x into cos x. Now fourth rule, if y is equal to u upon v, then dy by dx is equal to v into derivative of u means du by dx minus u into derivative of v means dv by dx upon v square. Let us see one example. If we have y is equal to tan x upon x, then find dy by dx. dy by here u is equal to tan x, v is equal to x. Put the values. dy by dx is equal to x into derivative of tan x minus tan x into derivative of x upon x square. Now x as it is, derivative of tan x is sec square x minus as it is, tan x as it is into derivative of x is 1, we know, upon x square. So last answer is dy by dx is equal to x into sec square x minus tan x upon x square. In this way we can find the derivative of fraction also. Now if we have three functions u, v and w are the three differentiable functions, then dy by dx is equal to u into v into ddx of w plus u into w into ddx of v plus v into w into ddx of u. For example, if y is equal to x square into log x into sin x, then find dy by dx. Now here u is equal to x square, v is equal to log x and w is equal to sin x. Now put the values in formula. We get dy by dx is equal to x square into log x as it is into derivative of sin x plus x square into sin x as it is derivative of log x plus log x into sin x as it is derivative of x square. Now which is equal to x square into log x into derivative of sin x is cos x plus x square into sin x as it is derivative of log x is 1 upon x plus log x into sin x as it is derivative of x square is 2x. Do cancellation, x 1 is x, x 1 is x. Here only one x will remain here. So dy by dx is equal to x square into log x into cos x plus x into sin x plus 2x into log x into sin x. In this way we can find the derivative of product of three functions also, isn't it? Remaining derivative of some standard composite function we will see in coming video. Okay.